Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, I hope you are all well. Today I will show you very important software, I mean video editing software, Filmora. You can see here Filmora video editing tutorial introducing tools menu episode 6. I mean already I have made 5 parts of this tutorial and you are requested to watch all the part of this video editing tutorial series. So without any delay, let's get started. Dear viewers, if you want to be a professional video editor, then you have to begin with the Filmora. There is no doubt at all, because when I start video editing as my hobby, then I have started with this Filmora. There is no doubt at all, and I have found that this is the one software in the world where you can see every tools for your professional video editing. There is no doubt at all. So today I will show you about the tools menu. Here you can see here there are some important main menu that is on the left side on the Filmora Studio. You can see file, edit and tools. Today I will discuss about these tools. Tools means this very important segment or important arms for your video editing purpose, because when you will edit some footage or video footage, then you have to use many kinds of video editing tools for your own purposes. Then you have to use these tools, but where you can get these tools? Under the tools menu, and you can see here video tools, audio tools, color tools and speed tools. And it is for your better understanding. You can see all the tools in another side, where just look at the right side of the studio. Look, there are some main tools here. When you look at the guys, now in the timeline there is a video here and I deselect this video, but when I select this video, all tools are visible, because look, all tools are visible. There are 8 very important tools here: video, audio, color, speed, basic, mask, AI tools and animation. This is the Filmora 13, the latest update version. Here I use this. So my favorite also, this is the main tools here. When you work with your videos, then you have to use all these tools here for your professional video editing purpose. There is no doubt at all. So when you click the tools here, then you can see also here some important tools: video tools, audio tools, color tools, speed tools. And also you can see here on the right side of the studio, video, audio, color, speed. When you click these, all are tools, all tools are visible here, so you can use according to your own choice as well. So this is the very important tutorial from me today, because I will again come the rest of all series tutorial that are related to the Filmora Studio, because Filmora Studio is very important software for the video editor. You know, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all are the very important social platform where you can see there are plenty of videos here, and people are entertained by this all social media by watching all the videos here. But you if you want to be a professional video editor, then you have to know about this Filmora Studio. There is no doubt at all. So no more today. I will request you to watch my rest of the all series tutorial that is related to the Filmora Studio, and you will be a professional video editing man or professionally video editor. There is very important. This is very important for you, because when you start something new with your video, you have to come here, you have to touch the Wondershare Filmora, because Filmora is very handy software for the beginner, and as you are beginner, obviously this Filmora is for you. So no more today. I would like to request my all the series tutorial which are coming in the future. So goodbye, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum.